Our refrigerator acted up again. We had it fixed about 6 months ago by a professional because it almost caught on fire. And last night there was that horrible smell again. So I unplugged it. This is still under warranty, that refrigerator, so I really don't know what else we can do. And I hope when I call back this time that they replace this refrigerator, because it's outright dangerous when parts started melting away in there. So just let's go inside, have a look. But before we do this, don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell, because, well, just because. Let's do it. There is condensation coming from these hoses and drips right onto that start relay. Let's take a closer look at that start relay. First, it seems like there were condensation somehow dropping it onto it and went between start relay and capacitor. I think the root cause is that condensation. But let's see if we can order a new start relay and capacitor. So let's order a start relay for the refrigerator. Going back to a social distance shop, what I call it. And we put our model number and we see what comes out. Okay, we have the option here. That's the original one. But here they have a lot cheaper one. This original one, it basically burned out. So I'm gonna try this one. And see if that works. So let's just add it to the cart. And now we wait for it. So let's see, that should be our new start relay. I hope it is, and it's not something embarrassing. What's in here? New. Well, I knew when I ordered it, it's not exactly the same. It has the same specification, but I wanted to try if this product is working better or not, but it might not even fit. It was just a guess, so we give it a try and we'll see what comes out. So a little disclaimer here, don't try that at home. Or, you know, I'm not responsible for anything here. Ask always a professional. Let's see if we can get this in. Like I said, it's in the dimension, it's a little bigger. If I fry it, then there are $10 gone. It seems like it went on. It's on pretty good. Now, because it is a little longer, because the whole thing is a little longer, our clamp will not fit. So I gotta rig something up here. So, the connector don't fit, even if it was supposed to. It doesn't matter if I rig it up somehow. So what I do is I put it back together, the original part. This one we try to send back. Like always, it was a fail again. I could have ordered the original part, but I have a professional do it and be done with it. In my opinion, it's a fire hazard, it needs to be replaced. But the decision will be made by the professionals. So with this said, subscribe, like, hit the bell, all the good stuff, and I give you an update as soon they came to repair the thing, and I hope this time for good, or better, replace it.